2019 Buick Cascada. The Buick Cascada is extremely attractive from every angle. It is competitively priced. It drives quiet, comfortable, and comes with a lot of features. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, navigation system, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, power windows, electronic stability control, rear window defroster, fog lights, security system, compass, trip computer, heated front seats, driver and front passenger heated seats, CD player, heated steering wheel, panic alarm, tachometer. Come see the car for yourself.